Let's play Redactle for Sunday, July 17th. Well, I'm going to play on Redactle Unlimited. This Wikipedia article has a title with 2 words, 8.5, and in some area, the 8.5 is an 8 or 10, 4, 4, and 7, and 6 within a 5 of 9 for 7. With 7 to an 8.5. Goodness. I'm thinking science. Let's scroll down a bit, see if we see anything else that isn't redacted that might confirm that. There is a since the something, which makes me think this is scientific. Okay, against the something. And then we have a bullet list. Well, without bullets, but something in 5 is the 6-3 of the 866 on the 6. And then we have some actual bullets. More bullets here. If the something is something, blah, 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 blah. Here we get something that looks more scientific. Oh, so here we go. This is interesting. Add an 8-letter word, and then we have the symbol for degrees, minutes, and seconds. So that would be latitude, right? Let's type in, latitude. Oh, fingers aren't doing what I'm telling them to. There we go, at latitude. And then some 2 digits. I'm going to try 45. No, but we do have 45 there. Interesting. At something equals 45 and then a fraction, is it 1 over 2? No, there are some 1s. 2, let's try 3. Okay. Oh, how about latitude 33? No, I'm just thinking of something that might divide evenly. Well, let's try 90. 2 90s. At the something, at the poles. Okay. And something toward the 7. How about equator? Okay. Oh, I'm going to say greatest. No, but there are 2 greatests. Okay, I was not expecting to see references to longitude, well, latitude. I was thinking physics. This looks like we have IE. So in something, 797 IE out, or 9 IE in, and then some 3-letter word. How about not? No, all, any, 1, are, okay. In something, the out or the in are something to the 4 or 4, 12. How about east? Oh, or west? Well, west or east. And then I'm not sure what the 12 is. Hemispheres? No, I think that's only 11, right? We do have two hemispheres. In something hemispheres, 5 and the 4, okay. Let's go back up to the top, see what we have. In 7, the something, the 8, 5 is an something or something. Not seeing any words. Well, I guess the word 1 has appeared. In 1 with 13, R16, the 5, 4 to the 4 must be a verb, I think. Um, 10. Oops, no, that's not what I wanted to click on. There we go. Oh, so here we have somebody's name, I guess, or something apostrophe S anyway. Something of 6, 8, the 6 of an, 6 in an 8, and then 3 dash 12. What could that be? Non? Yes, non something. 5 of 9. And then something apostrophe S R something. Goodness. In a non something system, maybe? Oh, no, that's ridiculous. Something system as blank, it blank, an something. Enclosed? No. An something system. Well, we had latitude. Let me just try longitude. No longitudes, only latitude. Let's try in general. No, we do have two generals. A general something. Okay, this is in this bullet list. 8.5. Now, is that the same as the title of the article? Oh, so these are the references, I think, from the about dot something. Okay, looks like we have some titles here. This looks like a question. Could it be do? Yes, do something, something, something in the something, something. And then we have down here the 8.6, a something 6.11. I was thinking an introduction, but that's 12 letters for the 9. That could be layperson. Oh, that's a good one. Doesn't help me, of course, but always nice to guess a word. An introduction. Yeah, that's definitely 12. But let me do introduction. Anyway, there is one. Okay, there's an introduction to something, space, 2 spaces, in time, space and something. The 10 of the 8, 5. Well, let me go up to the top, see if space, no, space was not one of our words. Well, I did think originally it might be physics, so let me just get that out of the way. Oh, no, it is. So it is in physics. The something particle, good physics word. No, there are 3 particles. The 8, 5 is an 8 or 10. And then 5, 4, 4 within a 5 of 9, 4, 7. With respect to, maybe? Yes, with respect to an let's try original as an 8-letter word. 5 originals. These are all titles. Looks like from the original. So here's one in, so 9 physics. In 10, 9, something be, maybe, can be something by a 5, 4, 8. And 8, 9 of 5, my goodness, about 5, 11, 8. As a result of the 10 of the atoms. Yes. Let's do atom. No atom, singular, that's interesting. Atomic? No atomic. Okay. As a result of the something of the atoms are in 6, 8 to the 8, 10 system of the 8. Okay. Maybe and when the atoms? No, there is a when. There are actually 17 whens. Maybe and thus? No. And then? No, to the original 12. How about this? This leads to a change. No, this leads to a rise, fall, decrease in charges. No charges. Let's try charge singular. No. How about electron? Electrons? No. Ions? No. And then, of course, I have to remember we somehow link this to latitudes. How about ozone? I'm just trying to link physics to the world, the Earth. How about gas? No gas. Light? No light. Let's do some history, maybe. 4 histories. Is there a history section? Well, that's a book of the history. The something history of the. Let's try molecular. Did I do molecular? No, there are two moleculars. Molecular physics, okay, that was the one we saw earlier. And then we have it there. So let me go back to the, yeah, so here's the history section. That 6'8", I'm going to guess, is Albert Einstein. No, it fits so perfectly. Oh, I'm very disappointed. Towards one of the planets, poles, okay. In some year, 6'8", maybe observed. There are two observeds. The something observed 9, the 444, and 7 of the 5. Okay, have I done Earth? No, there are 54 Earths. Okay. In 7, non-something, 5 of the maybe something of the term, yes, 8-6. Usage, maybe, of the term, yes. In something non-scientific, maybe? No, yeah, maybe it's the opposite, maybe in the science, non-daily usage of the term something. The 8 is something the earth. Because the earth spins, okay, earth dash based, earth dash worms, no. 4 to have to, as, had, having, no, earth something, being, be, and being, blah, 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 blah. Oh, to account, maybe? Aha. Earth something to, so it's not have to account. Used to account? No. To explain? No. The 6 of 7. How about gravity? No, there are 8 gravities. But the 4, 6, 8, 6, 3 to gravity and 8, 7, it is something in the 11, 11. Okay. This something of the 8, 6 is greatest nearest the, was greatest near the equator. This effect, no, but there is a lot of, so there, and what is this 6 effect? But then they have in parentheses the 8 effect. What is that? Coriolis? Am I spelling this right? No, I'm going to check the spelling of that. No, it's IS, so Coriolis. Aha, there we go. The 9-6 of the Coriolis effect is 6, 6 by the 10, 12, 9, 8 by 10, 6. Okay. 5 are 5, 10. These, no, there are something of the Coriolis effect. So I'm wondering if that is a number. There are 3, 8, 7. No. There are something versions. 8-9-7 or 9-. This is known as the, okay, so this is not the Coriolis effect, but maybe a version, subset. This aspect, maybe, of the Coriolis effect is greatest near the equator. The 5, 8 by the... Now, the only thing I'm thinking of the Coriolis effect is toilets flushing in opposite directions in the northern and southern hemisphere. The something something by the something effect is closest. No, is something to the 10, 9. But the something, what's the 3-letter word? Oh, due to. Yeah. Due to gravity and 8, 7, 4. Okay. However, in the 10, 5 or 10 with 5, 10 of 8 from the 11, 11. What is this effect? Is by, wouldn't be redacted, is, no, is so large. Oh no, it's probably more small. Yes, is so small that the something of effect to something is insignificant. No, infinitesimal, but we did have large up here. Actually, we have quite a lot of large. Large 5 must be large scale. Yes. Let's look at our larges over large something. Such as large scale something, movement of air, I'm thinking, in the atmosphere is 10 letters, yes, are water in the ocean. Oh, that's good. Are 5, 4, 9 is 9, such as half, well, self. What are the other 4-letter prefixes? Did I do science? No, it doesn't. Let's go back. Oh, dang it. I didn't mean to reload. Unfortunately, when I reload accidentally the page, I still have all my guesses, but I lose the... Oh, so sorry. now that I come back up to the top, I see, excuse me, that Coriolis is one of the obscured words. So I'm really, yeah. I don't know what's up with the sensitivity of my tablet, but sometimes when I scroll up to the top, it accidentally reloads the page and I lose the counts that I've painstakingly added. So we now know that the subject is Coriolis something. The Coriolis not effect. With respect to an 8.5. In a 9.5 with 9.8, the 5.4 to the something. Is called, due to the Coriolis something. Okay. 10 of an 6 due to the Coriolis 5 is called the Coriolis effect. So I'll press on. Hopefully this 5-letter word is a common word found outside of science. But so the Coriolis something, and then that causes something, and altogether it's known as the Coriolis effect. The something for the Coriolis. What is that 2-letter word there? And 7-7. Of water 6. Could be used, would be used, oh, might be used. No. In conjunction. No, used in something with something else. The term Coriolis 5, which is the title, 5 to be used. Yeah, I'm running into a bit of a block here. So the history. Would they talk about currents? Yes. Because something ocean currents are something by the movement of wind over the water's surface, I'm thinking. The Coriolis 5 controls effects. Okay, the Coriolis 5.4 So the Coriolis 5 is the title. So then what is 4? An adverb? Ocean currents, and 8 as well. Some of the oceans, much of the oceans, something currents circulate around 4. Around, I'm guessing that's a comma separating adjectives. Something 485 called 5. So not because, but 6, the 11 is not as 11 as that in the air. The something 6, 10-6 by the Coriolis effect is in these cases, no. In these areas, oh no, but it is around something hyphenated areas called, what are they called? The prevailing wind? No, the something wind. 7-5 to 9-4. The stronger the something from the Coriolis effect. The something, the faster the wind spins and whips up. I whip my hair back and forth. No. Faster the wind spins and riles up, drives up. Something, the something of the something. Air within 4-8. So what are these 4 dash? I wonder if cold could be one of them. No. How about heat? No. Is temperature involved? No. Let me try some other. Let's say no, no, no no's. Let's look at my surface. Such 7 are 11 by the surface of the Earth. So I thought I did that. Yes, I did. So, and I did when and then. So were, 2 words. Now let me look at my surfaces again. 4 and 9, 11 of the 6, 8 and 6, 11 to 6 the Earth's surface, and 6, 9 in the 8, 10. Something from outer space, not seen from outer space. The something does not, does not appear to be to something to go due south, due north, but has an not erratic, elliptic, no, has something, direction, no, it's something around toward the 5 along with the surface of the earth, toward the coast, no, it revolves, no, it's something around, moves around, well, let's try moves. Oh, as the something moves north, 269, it has a tendency to 8 the 8-5, it 7 with. Six, then 7 5 7 down to 5 the 7 8 5 of 5 7 on the Earth's surface. So it heads east. No, moves. I did moves. So it goes north. It's something east, i.e. to the something of its, okay, the further north it something, I think I did greater way back, yeah, the something, the 6 of its 8, and then in parentheses latitude, the distance, the something distance from the surface, angle, no, oh my goodness. And so the 6, and so the more, no, there are 6 mores. Off the 4 of the 8 side, no, there is one side. At the same side, no. So here we have a subheading 9-7. Seven of 5, that's 7 through a 12-7-4 along the equator. Something that, when in motion, it moves at the something speed, at the something speed to something around the thing in one way, no, in one day, okay, and then that's so many, I presume, meters per second, some number. The Coriolis effect can be something in 3 cases. When the something west, when it is at rest, and when it something east. Hmm. Can be described? No. In 4-4, the Coriolis effect can be 10 from the 8-5 of 9 on Earth 5, and then 7 against a 5-8-5. The something below 11, the three cases, has something by an blank at rest in a near 8-5 from a 5-5 above the North Pole along the Earth's 4 of 8 axis. Aha. The axis. So is that because the Earth is a little bit tilted? Let's try tilt. Tilted. I'm a little bit tilted. To something on this. Something in such a way as to tilt the something. Okay. This tendency has the effect of, okay. We did get a lot of axis. That is perpendicular. Yes, to the axis of something. How about orbit? Two orbits right beside each other, such as a something being launched. Okay, a satellite. No, such as a something being launched into orbit. The effect to the west or east, that must be hemispheres, I'm thinking. Oops. No, and I did hemispheres. To the west or east, something. This effect is something the greatest near the equator. This effect is something the greatest. Since 8 movement is 7 of 7, 6, and 8. Oops, the 4 of the effect is 7 and 8. My goodness. All right, I'm going back up to the top. In physics, the Coriolis something is a something or something. Oh, I wonder if the 5 letters force. Oh! My goodness, I was actually solving this word here in the sentence and forgot, of course, that the title is 8-5. So in physics, the Coriolis force is an inertial or fictitious force that acts on objects in motion. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, physics. How I hate thee. Anyway, got there in the end. There's the history. Nothing to do with Einstein, of course. A formula. The Euler force, Coriolis, centrifugal force. Blah, 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 blah. Simple cases, etc. Well, apparently there have been 111 players on Redactle Unlimited. The mean guess count is 111. I was a lot slower, 168. I probably had enough information early on once I had Coriolis, but anyway, got there in the end. Hope you enjoyed that. Thanks as always for watching and have a great day.